Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is my summer makeup tutorial 2025. So today's tutorial is going to be very glowy, very bronzed, hydrated, and nice and natural as well for an everyday summer makeup look. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so first of all, I'm going in with this L'Oreal Revitalift Hydrating Smoothing Serum. And I'm using my e.l.f. small stipple brush to blend this in. Then, so important to go in with an SPF in the summer, well, all year round really, but especially in the summer. Now this is a really high one for the summer. This is the Bondi Sands Face Daily Moisturising SPF, and it's SPF 50. It is fragrance free and it's water resistant, suitable for sensitive skin. So I'm going to apply some of this as well. So then you want to leave this sink in properly for a few minutes. Then I'm going in with this Max Factor Miracle Prep Primer. It's illuminating and hydrating. I'm not going in with too much of this, just a little bit of this primer on the same brush. Okay, so for foundation today, I'm using this number 7 Hydraluminous Moisturising Foundation in the shade Porcelain. It's also SPF 15 and it's medium coverage. I don't need too much coverage in the summer. I'm not really bothered about coverage, but I definitely want, I know I've got SPF in my moisturiser, but I definitely want a bit more of an SPF as well. Now this is a little bit too dark for me, so I am going to mix it with this NYX Pro Foundation Mixer in the shade White. Just a little bit on the back of my hand before I apply it, and then I'm going to be using this Real Techniques makeup sponge to blend it in. So there it is on the back of my hand. So that just gives me a nice medium coverage and it makes me look really glowy and moisturised as well. And now I'm going in with a contour. This is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty Wand Contour in the shade Fair to Light. And then blending that in with this Morphe M436 brush. And then going over the top with the sponge. Then I'm actually going in with two concealers. So the first one I'm using is the Bare Minerals Bare Pro Concealer in the shade Fair/Light. Fair/Light to Warm 02. And then blending that in with a sponge. And then to highlight a little bit, I'm using this Rimmel the Multitasker Concealer in the shade Fair. Now to set my face, I am going in with a very little amount of powder. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless face powder in the shade Natural Ivory, and I'm using this Morphe G35 brush just to set under my eye area. Now I want to keep the rest of my face quite glowy and dewy at the moment. So now I'm going in with some bronzer. I'm using this Wet n Wild Colour Icon bronzer in the shade Ticket to Brazil. And I'm using my IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Flawless Powder Brush. Just to apply a little bit of this, not too much because I already have the contour on. Then for blush, I'm using this nice peachy pink blush. This is the Colourpop Disney's Designer Collection Enchanted Mirror Pressed Powder Blush. And I'm using my IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Flawless Blush Brush to apply it. Then for highlighter, I'm using this Wet n Wild Colour Icon bronzer, it's called, but obviously it's a highlight, in the shade Reserve Your Cabana. And I'm going to use my Sigma Tapered highlighter brush F35 to apply it. Now I'm keeping it quite simple for the eyes today, so I'm going to zoom you in. Now my intention is just to use this product, but we'll see how it goes. So this is the Laura Mercier Caviar Stick Eye Colour in the shade Amethyst. It's obviously the travel size version, but this just looks so nice all over the lid. So I'm going to apply this all over the lid and then blend it in. I'm going to use this Sephora Pro Featherweight Crease brush just to literally blend this together. And that's just giving me like a really nice, natural, bronzed, smoky eye, and it's like a super easy and quick natural summer eye makeup look, so I really like that. Now I'm going in with this Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. Then I'm using my NYX Epic Wear liner stick in the shade Deepest Brown. And then I'm going to curl my lashes using my Tweezerman eyelash curlers, and I'm going in with the Maybelline The Falsies Surreal Very Black Mascara. Now finally for the lips, I'm using this Rimmel Thrill Seeker Glassy Gloss in the shade Pine to the Apple. Okay, so this is the final look. Very quick, very easy, very simple. Nothing hard or challenging about this. It's just a very glowy, bronzy, natural, everyday summer makeup tutorial. And yeah, I really like it. It wasn't drugstore this time. I used quite a few high-end products. So normally my videos are drugstore, but I fancied using some high-end stuff today, so why not? So yeah, I hope you liked this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already, so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!